everyone, and today we're gonna do IXL, and I think I know the word. Dash. Correcto.
Dish. Please wash your dish. Dish.
The answer is dish. It's a dish.
Crash. The pan fell with a crash. 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 The pan fell with a crash. Ranch. Do you have horses on your ranch? Ranch. South. They live south of here. South. Cheek. My cheek feels hot. Cheek. Phone. Can I use your phone to call my mom? Phone. Child. He is an only child. Child.
Wait a minute.
Child.
Child? Oh. Child.
Flash. He saw a flash of light. Flash.
So then,
When.
when did you fly?
When. Do you know when the party is? When.
No, I do not know when the party is, because I've never went to that party.
Shine. You can see stars shine at night. Shine.
Shine. Shine.
Shape. He made a fun shape with the dough. Shape. Shape. He made a fun shape with the dough. Shape.
Shape. Is it shape or is it shape?
Whale. I saw a whale near the boat. Whale.
Whale. A whale would look like this. Or even a pirate boat. And then, this is me. Haha, I'm the pirate of all. Pirates go inside boats. Let's do some red. Let's do some blue. Let's do some pink. Blue's my favorite color anyway. Well then now blue's for the ocean. Okay.
Whale. I saw a whale near the boat. Whale.
I saw. And then this is a whale's fin.
Whale. I saw a whale near the boat. Whale.
That's a whale. Other than that, all my dog is gone.
Bath. She gave her dog a bath yesterday. Bath.
Oh, speaking of bath. Okay, well then it would not be it. A shower would be so big, but small. But it would not be curvy. So then, this is the curtains right here. That's the curtain. And the curtain is gonna be red. And then after that, we can just erase this right here. Sorry for this, but the other part is red, but it's still okay. And then, if we're like this, then cover it. And then this is me taking a bath. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub. And then this is a curtain. It's closed. I don't have a face. This is me. Okay, and then it represents the picture. What is
Throat. Do you have a sore throat? Throat.
throat?
Thick. I want a thick slice of pie. Thick. Shut. Will you shut that door? Shut. Photo. Do you have a photo of your puppy? Photo. Chin. Keep your chin up. Chin. Listen. Fresh. Is that apple fresh? Fresh. Reach. She can reach the top shelf. Reach. Than. My dog has longer hair than your dog does. Than. My dog has longer hair. Porch. They are on the porch. Porch.
I knew it would start with a P.
Beach.
Beach.
I live near the beach. Beach.
I live near the beach.
Check. Always check your answers. Check.
No. I didn't mean
With. He rides to school with his cousin. With. Shout. Please don't shout indoors. Shout. Graph. We drew a graph in math class. Graph. Graph. We drew a graph in math class. Graph. Chip. Can I have a barbecue chip? Chip. Lunch. What did you have for lunch? Lunch.
I'm revealing my prize. Should I save it? Press and hold. Okay, just click on it. This is my icon. Bye everyone. See you in the next video. Bye bye.